I made over $34,000 on this remote job site known as Legiit, and in this video, I want to share with you one simple process that I followed that helped me to achieve that. So if today is your first time of seeing me right here on YouTube, my name is Iyooh, and right here I share with my followers what me and my students are doing to make money online. Now, if this is the kind of video that interests you, endeavor to go ahead right now to smash that subscribe button, like this video and click the bell notification icon so that once I drop a new video right here on YouTube, YouTube will notify you. You will come here, take advantage of that video. Okay, so Legiit is an online marketplace where people buy and sell services. And in this video, I want to show you the one simple process that I followed that helped me to be able to generate up to $34,000 right here on this particular platform. Now, let me just quickly go ahead and refresh this page so that you will know that what I'm showing you guys right here is real, that I'm not trying to make up anything right here. Okay, so you can see that the money right here is real, the number of orders I've received here is real, and the number of clients I'm actually getting right here on this platform is also real. So on this website, there are different types of services that you can be able to buy and sell. Okay, now you can be able to sell starting from SEO services, anything concerning SEO, anything concerning AI services, anything concerning programming or web development, and anything that has to do with writing. You can be able to sell it right here on this particular Legiit platform. So when I signed up on this platform, if you want to sign up on the platform, you can just go to legiit.com and click on sign up. It's free for you to sign up to buy services right here or to sell services. Okay, so when I signed up on this platform, I went ahead to post the job that I can be able to do, which is website design. Now, but the problem I had when I posted my jobs right here is that I was not able to make a single sale on this platform for months. Now, I watched all the tutorials that people are posting on YouTube on how you can be able to make money on freelance websites like this Legiit or Fiverr and so on and so forth. I implemented most of the things that they were sharing in those videos, and none of those things were able to help me, or none of those things work for me to be able to start making money. All right. Now, the only thing that I did which changed my career right here on this platform is what I want to share with you. And I've never seen this thing being shared right here on YouTube by anyone. So this is something that only me and my inner circle students know. But today I want to share this simple strategy with you guys right now. Okay, now what I did is that when I come over to this platform, I noticed that most of the people that are actually getting orders right here have this thing that if you look right here, you will see what they say reviews right here. You can see this particular person right here has over 3,500 reviews. This one has over 3,400 reviews, 2,700 reviews, and so on and so forth. But when I signed up, I don't have any reviews because no one has bought my services and no one even trusts what I am selling. Now, no one bought my services simply because no one saw a review on my own page and no one trusted to know whether I can be able to do what I'm saying that I can help them to do. Okay, so this thing I'm about to share with you right now is going to work for you, whether you are selling SEO services right here, AI services, programming services, writing services, graphic design, internet marketing, video creation, or any type of services right here. Now, here is the other stuff that I went ahead to do right here on this platform that changed the game for me. Now, what I did is that since I realized that the only people that are getting orders right here on this platform are people that already have reviews. Now, what I did was I went ahead to ask one of my friends, you can do this by yourself, but I asked one of my friends to create an account on this same platform as a buyer. Okay, as you can see right here that they have, you can create an account as a buyer, and also you can be able to create an account as a seller. Okay, as you can see, I've turned my own account now to a buyer. So if you're a buyer, you can be able to go ahead and deposit money on this platform and use that money you deposit here to buy services on this platform. But as a seller, your work is to go ahead and complete services on this platform so that people can be able to buy your services and pay you money to complete those services for them. So what I did was I got one of my friends to create an account right here on this platform as a buyer, and I instructed that my friend to go ahead and buy my services. Now, that is not all, because this is actually the beginning of the thing. Now, once my friend bought that services that I'm doing, I went ahead to complete that task and I sent my friend the review that he should drop for me on the site so that I can be able to use that review to be able to start getting clients on this site. Okay, now here is exactly the review that my friend dropped right here. Now if you take a look right here, you can see what my friend wrote right here. I hired Martin to design and create a WordPress website for our painting company here in Arizona, USA. Now I use Arizona, USA because most customers that are coming on this Legiit platform to buy websites or any of these services are in the US. All right, so now I continue. To design a website, it requires a lot of communication between the web designer and the client because there are many details to figure out. Martin was wonderful in responding to every revision request I submitted and professional in how he responded to my many questions. Now, the reason why I'm putting this thing here is to let people know that, okay, this guy is somebody that is willing to, do revisions for me and listen to any complaint that I have without complaining. Because a lot of freelancers will say, we only do 1 revision, we only do 3 revisions. No, I made it to them to understand that I can offer as many revisions until they are satisfied. Now you can see right here, he put, I look forward to working with him again and would recommend you try his service. I think you will be glad you did. Godspeed and blessings. We'll put a name here, Sean. P.S. Here is the site he created for me. Now, I included the link of the site I created. The reason why I did this is because if people do not see what I create, they will not believe anything that is being written in that review. So we went ahead to include the site that we created. Now, this site is no longer online, but I have a screenshot of that site that we created. So this is the painting job site that I went ahead to create. So this particular painting job site, what will happen is that when people read this review and they visit this link, they will see this professional painting site that I created for the so-called client, but in this case is my friend. So what happens is that once they see that I can deliver top quality job and someone have already bought my services and give me all these positive reviews, it makes it easier for people to start buying my services right here on this Legiit platform. So this is exactly what helped me to start becoming successful on this website known as Legiit. And as you can see, with only just 37 clients that I have right here, I was able to do well on this particular platform. Because if you know what you are doing and you implement this thing that I just shared with you right now, people are going to trust you because you are going to be delivering top quality work for them. So as you can see, this is a very simple strategy that I use on this Legiit platform that helped me to become successful on that platform. And I've never seen anyone share this secret either here on YouTube or any paid course. If you have seen, you can as well let me know in the comment section. And if you have any question, you can as well ask me in the comment section and I will be there to respond to your questions. Now, if you'd like to see how I was able to get my first order after implementing this in under 48 hours, you can let me know in the comment section and I will go ahead and make that video as well. And also, if you want to see 10 other unique strategies that me and my students are currently using to succeed on this particular platform, all you have to do right now is to go over on this platform known as Skillshare and go ahead and search for Legiit Freelancing. Now you're going to see this particular course right there titled Legiit Freelancing, how to build your profile and start getting freelance jobs. Go ahead and click on it and go ahead and click on watch now. So right here, you can be able to see how you can be able to set up your account on this platform known as Legiit, how you can set up your gigs and your services to start selling on the website, and how you can be able to set up your payment processor so that you can be able to receive your payment down to your local bank account in Nigeria, Ghana, or any country you are residing right now. Now, like I say, the most important thing that you're going to be getting right here is how to get your first order on this particular platform. Now, I shared over 10 unique strategies that you can also follow, just like the one I dropped in this video, so that you can be able to become successful right here on this platform. Okay, this is the only time you have to gain access to these unique strategies free of charge. Now, I know that Skillshare is actually a paid platform, but you can be able to get a 1-month free trial on the Skillshare platform to go ahead and watch this course that I just showed you right now by clicking on the Skillshare free trial link that I'm going to include in the video description of this particular video. That link will be able to help you to gain access to the Skillshare platform free of charge to go ahead and watch that particular course and gain access to these 10 unique strategies. I will show you how to get your first order on the platform. Okay, now if you're finding it difficult to sign up on the Skillshare platform, I'm going to attach a video right now so that you can follow it step by step to sign up on the platform, access the course, learn this thing, go over on the Legiit platform and start implementing it, or you can implement it in any other platform that you're selling your services right now. Now, here is how you can be able to get a 1 month free trial of the Skillshare platform. The first thing you need to do is to go to the video description of this particular video, and you will see this link that says click here to get a 1 month free trial of Skillshare. Now go ahead and click on that link. And once you click on that link right now, it's actually going to bring you over to this particular page where you will see Martin Iyooh is giving you 30 days free. Now you're going to see get 1 free month of Skillshare. Now right here, if you do not click on that particular link, now what you're going to be seeing right here is get 7 free days of Skillshare. But this is actually not what you want. You want to get the 1 month free trial of Skillshare. Now once you have clicked on that link right now, all you need to do right now is to go ahead and click on continue with Google or continue with your email. But I'm going to be clicking on continue with Google. Now once you click on continue with Google, all you need to do right now is to go ahead and select the Google account you want to use to sign up on the Skillshare platform. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. And right here, as you can see, thank you for signing up. And they are going to go ahead now and redirect you on where you need to go ahead and activate your 1 month free trial. And right here on this page, you will see start your 31-day free trials, no commitment, and cancel anytime. So Skillshare will require you to go ahead and select a payment method for you to be able to activate your account, okay? But you don't need to worry about the charges at all, because Skillshare will not charge you until your 1 month free trial or 31 days free trial have expired. And also they will even send you a 7 days reminder before your trial ends so that you can decide to cancel if you want to cancel your account, okay? And when it comes to selecting your payment method, you can go ahead and select PayPal, or you can go ahead and add your card number right now. So you can use any of your local bank card right now, add it right here to activate your account. But if any of your local bank card is not working, now you need to get a virtual USD card. Now the platform that I advise you to get a card that will work for you is this particular platform right here known as GetPay. On this particular platform, you can be able to get USD virtual card you can use to sign up on Skillshare, okay? So I already have a virtual card right here created on GetPay. It's very easy to create. I will put the link to create this particular account and this card down in the video description of this particular video. So right now, all I have to do right now is to go ahead and copy these card details that I have right here and add it right here on this particular Skillshare platform. Now the next thing you need to do is just to scroll down right here. You will see where they say how did you first hear about us. Now go ahead right now and select this YouTube influencer. Now once you have done that, go ahead and click on this start your 31-day free trial. It will successfully sign you up on Skillshare. So right here it says what brings you to Skillshare. So you can go ahead and click on I want to learn a professional skill or build my business. Click on next. Right here, what are your most interested learning pathway? Just go ahead and select things you are interested in. And once you're done selecting all these things, go ahead and click on I am done right now. So it will go ahead and personalize your own page. So once you have landed right here, you have been able to successfully get the 1 month free trial of the Skillshare platform. So you can now go ahead right now and search for any classes that you want to watch or the courses that I recommended for you guys right here in this particular video, and you can be able to gain access to that particular course free of charge. And remember that you have 31 days to watch any courses that you want to watch right here on the Skillshare platform without paying any money at all.